Hey there, welcome to Alvi Associates. Today I'm diving deep into the world of gravel roads. Whether you're an engineer, architect, or just curious about how these roads come together, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on construction engineering and architecture. First off, what exactly are gravel roads? Gravel roads are unpaved roads that use a layer of loose stones or gravel to form the surface. Simple yet effective, these roads are widely used in rural areas, construction sites, and places where a lower-cost road option is needed. They're appreciated for their ease of construction, adaptability to different terrains, and lower maintenance compared to fully paved roads. But remember, they do require periodic upkeep to stay in good shape. Now let's talk materials. To create a solid and durable gravel road, several key materials are used. First, there's the gravel itself. This consists of a mix of crushed stones, pebbles, and sand, selected based on size and gradation to provide stability and ensure the road surface is smooth. Next, we have crushed stone or aggregate, often mixed with gravel to enhance strength and durability. This prevents the road from becoming too loose or rutted over time. And sometimes a binder like clay or bitumen is used to help the gravel stick together, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. All right, let's move on to site preparation. Like all road construction projects, getting the site ready is crucial. It starts with site surveying. Engineers survey the land to determine the proper alignment, elevation, and slope of the road, ensuring proper drainage and longevity. Then comes excavation and grading. The roadbed is excavated to the required depth and any obstacles or unsuitable soil are removed. The ground is then graded to provide a smooth, stable base. Finally, the subgrade preparation. The subgrade, or the foundation of the road, is compacted to provide the necessary support for the gravel surface, preventing future issues like potholes or uneven surfaces. Next up, laying the gravel. Once the site is ready, we begin with the base layer. This is a layer of larger gravel, often referred to as the base course, which serves as the foundation for the road. Then the top layer. Smaller gravel is added to create the smooth driving surface. The size and gradation of the gravel are critical for ensuring proper drainage and durability. And finally, compaction. A roller or compactor is used to ensure the gravel is tightly packed, reducing the potential for shifting or rutting. Proper drainage is essential for the longevity of gravel roads. Without it, rainwater can wash away the surface or cause ruts to form. We address this by crown shaping, where the road is shaped to have a slight crown, allowing water to drain off the edges. Ditches and culverts are also created along the sides of the road to direct water away from the surface and allow it to pass under the road without causing damage. Maintenance is key for gravel roads. Over time, gravel can wear away due to traffic and weather. Replenishing the gravel surface ensures the road remains smooth and functional. Routine grading prevents ruts and uneven surfaces, restoring the road shape. And in dry climates, dust control is necessary. Spraying the road with water or a dust control solution can reduce dust, improving visibility and air quality. Gravel roads offer several benefits like lower construction costs, faster installation, and suitability for remote areas. However, they also have challenges. Dust and noise can be an issue, especially in dry conditions. Maintenance needs are ongoing, and weather sensitivity can make them slippery when wet or muddy. And that's the complete process of gravel road construction. While gravel roads are more affordable and quicker to build than paved roads, they require careful planning, construction and maintenance to ensure they remain functional over time. Each step, from laying the gravel to regular grading, helps ensure a durable road surface. If you found this video informative, subscribe to Alvi Associates. We regularly explore deep topics in construction and share industry insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Alvi Associates for more in-depth videos on construction and engineering. Like and share this video if you found it useful, and leave your questions or comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. For the latest updates on construction technologies, hit the notification bell